Sorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya Nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati ande umsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale iyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate no corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibire babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chingagicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Ouru Superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyo chigo busongo iyo erangene duka Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetra sechi namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha, kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Masoge na inde ejumamosi here nchenu omwanchu murigelio Getembe TV ekene kyonga weekend chitalikine merongebere nene chumo tinyoka tana bo mwaka bwo chiri 2025 nchani kwankoro kwa Ruth Morana togendelete kubwatirana na Maquilt korwa asensemo ya kabere ye studio natoko chaka aye kyonge weekend nigo omobungo kitutu cha North omosikeja Fets Nyakundi habolirie aboro kigwa gokora omokia eli bachikonyora obugima obuyachin ase ama obu ase amatukale bosio niga kwane taya chingaki alinge koena na chibasa rigotia ase sukuru ya sen gotia ase sukuru ya sekondari ya Tanda egotoka ase chinsemo cha sensi ime county ya Kisii chingaki alinge koena na chibasari.
I will support this school, not saying Njerenka. I will support it because I believe a school way to support a school way. Abana na bago to konya mami na mami. That is the reason you see konya support this school chini. A constituency for the last 11 years. nero ya gasiekire ya kabere number 9 out of the 9 sub counties. Lakini last year esenge njioko ena na ebasari abana bagatoke school we became number 6 out of the 9 sub counties. I believe in you people, and I believe in you. I see doctors in you, I see engineers in you, I see teachers in you, I see the next member of parliament in you, I see governors in you, I see even the president in you. So believe in yourself, work hard, listen to what the teachers are telling you, keep the eye on the ball, and always work hard and pray, and God will always give to you what you want.
Chingaki chiotomanya njiraba. Chingaki echi nechogodayo sukuru, chogodayo para, chogodayo amaje.
Omo jumbe o Naivasha omo subati Wanjiku Kihara nigo akwanira ukura kwaye abarendi. Chingaki echo nigo aorokia obwoba bwate kubwatekana negekora kerigia korekarete ongondo were asukoraso. Nigo boigo aburirie serikali kwakira umubunge abasigali bune gwenerete kolengana buna serikali yabegiteri chiko.
The day before yesterday, my bodyguard was summoned by his commandant, but we were in Naivasha, so he went there yesterday. And little did I know that I was not going to have him, because he was disarmed and his telephone was taken. And of course, I had to reach out to him through his wife's number. So his wife is the one who told me that he's there, he's at home. I talked to him from his wife's number, and he told me that they were interrogated about what happened on 15th at DCP headquarters. Remember, there was some shootout. And I know he may not have known what happened, because when we went there, I was in a hurry. I was going to Naivasha. There is a function that I had organized in Naivasha, and I had to rush there, so we left. So even when this shooting was happening, he was not there. So I'm raising concern, because I don't know whether it's because I'm a woman. I know it has happened to Wanjiku Mohia also. They took his bodyguard. And his bodyguard and my bodyguard, we are entitled. MPs are entitled to a bodyguard. And you know what happened recently when our colleague was shot dead. So I don't know how we are supposed to operate, whether we are supposed to have goons in the cars with pangas and rungus. And I'm calling on the president, because he was all over campaign saying that he will never use security forces to advance his politics. Plus, also being a Gachagua friend is not a crime. I have said many times, I am not a baby, or I'm not a fool. I'm somebody who can make their own decision, like I have made.
Na tugotigana nayo habonchorera kurwa ase chiro ya Nyachenge egotuka tabaka South Mugirango e county ya Kisii nigobe murunganiria echiro eyo yabo etabwatie ebirengo biribisaine chinga kicho nigo baburia serikali kokora umukia gose serikali ya county eyo kokora umukia na kubaroseria chichiro chiri kibwate ebirengo biribisaine elyo go usira obunchoreria.
Lakini mchana kwa tile chini kuna wana ganya chengo kwa maana kwa ni sai kwa tunaone tu lakini hiyo chogero number 1 Wane toko bori araji suwa machore anyare kwa baka kutige.
Rakie chire ya ito ya nyachenge. Ba minto goto chandegete. Etoranye ne para. Ebe ase kane chicho ndo bwati. Chiko arie chiko cha chia toruli gochia. Embule goto twera ndo bwati na na ase toko igama. Makibana to bakora. Echogo goto gochogu. Bangina ase to iko igama ndo bwati. Makibana goto konya. Bani ndo se to konye. Tokonye ka keto chandegete chirege. Tokonye goto kwa bangina to kweli gari to chandegete. Ntobwati ase to ko igama kune embule goto yinge igato twerwa. None chicho ndo bwati.
Na tugutigana nayo nigo egati nigo egati y'abarai bari bakurwaniriria bari gusiki opposition leaders kurwa ase kiama ya DCP bakoragwa amono moteneneri gose omokonyi bo murai bw'ikiama ekyo Cleophas Malala bagikeirie egekorokerigio kung'anyibwa kumuri bwa serikali kurwa service ya Attorney General gochia ase chinsemo chia omonene bwa kori emirimo bwa serikali.
Tukiwaambia mambo ni mabaya mtusikie. Hii seal, the government seal ambaye hao wabunge wanaongelea sasa hivi, sio ati hiyo government seal ilichukuliwa ikapelekwa kwa ofisi ya Head of Public Service. La, hiyo government seal walingoja Attorney General ametoka kwa ofisi, wakaenda usiku, wakafungua, wakabeba seal ya government. Yani wanajiibia hata hao wenyewe. Ati serikali inaibia serikali. Hiyo seal sio Attorney General alibeba akapeleka kule, waliiba usiku kwa ofisi ya Attorney General. What kind of a government is this? Na kazi ya hiyo seal ni kuweka muhuri any agreement. Na mimi naunga mkono Mheshimiwa Mkunji kwa ile maneno umesema, enda bungeni, tunataka tujue hiyo seal imeweka rubber stamp mambo magani. Lakini mimi tayari nishaambiwa zile deals ambazo zimewekwa. Mumeona nyumba yetu, heritage yetu ya Bomas of Kenya, mnaijua? Sasa hivi wameshauzia Mtaki, amebomoa Bomas of Kenya yote, anajenga hoteli pale. Sasa hivi pita pale na Ng'ata, 30,000 acres of Masai Mara imechukuliwa, wameweka muhuri. Mnajua ule mtu ambaye amechukua hizo shamba. Mkiona Ngong Forest, wamekata miti yote, wamechukua karibu eka 30 hapo Ngong Forest, wanajenga hoteli ya kifahari. Na mnajua mwenye hiyo hoteli. Juzi tulifanya maandamano, vijana wetu wakafa kwa sababu walikuwa wanataka kuuza ile airport. Rais akasema kwamba sawa, ameacha hata peana hiyo airport kwa Adani. Lakini ile kitu ambaye imefanyika, wameenda huko Dubai, wakachukua huyo Muhindi, akaenda akarejista kampuni kule Dubai. Sasa hivi nasikia next month wanaenda kupeana at airport yetu.
Na tugutigana nayo nigo governor bwa county ya Kakamega umusikie Fernandes Barasa agikeire egati y'abantu bari bagenderete gukora emeremo ase serikali bakwebwatirania amone bikoro by'obukurumi. Chingaki ekyo nigo egikorekeri ky'abantu batatu bari bagukora ase chinyagitari kya luko banyarite ko babakubwatwa amone nekiombe ky'obotuki gose ky'obukurumi na kubekwa na kubwatwa na kikyayirete kugikeria obukurumi.
Ningependa kutoa onyo kwa wafanyakazi wa county ya kwamba we don't condone corruption. Tuko na wafanyakazi wengine hapo kwa level 4 ambao walishikwa, na mimi nimeambia EACC if there is any staff ambaye anadhushisha na mambo ya ofisadi, huyo ni kwenda nyumbani. I want to tell those 3 staff ya kwamba nyinyi kwa sababu mlileta ulagai pale katika level 4 hospital Mumias West, the county is going to suspend you na muende nyumbani. We cannot condone staff ambao wanajaribu kuangaisha contractors. Nilipata ripoti wale staff walikuwa wanaitisha pesa na mimi nikaambia EACC washikwe na waende nyumbani. That is my position kama the county government leader here. I want to warn all the staff involved, procurement, finance, hata wale ambao wanashughulika na mambo ya approvals. If you are found that well culpable, ni nyumbani. We are not going to compromise.
Na gwikira bu omwanchi omurigerio Getembe TV wikionga weekend no turachi gukorera gabu aye kionga chensa isano na ibere weekend ncheni kwa nkoro kwa Ruth Marara ni gotwawaterana amona makwils kurwa asense moya kabere studio nakukanire chinga kichintero ngochi kwerana nde chikoraga chensa ikomi asamangan ase kionga no bwenge
Eduka ya womo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure e company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil ya buigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri kuririke iriya gatigati wekarigori iriya bantabati buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora gwikirano tutarire rero eribwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangane duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Uhuru na bwate.